After cash account, we will prepare the capital account. In the opening journal entry, you must have ascertained capital as the balance figure of the business, 83,100. This is the opening balance on January 1st, which has been carried forward from December 31st, and that is why on the credit side you write January 1st by balance brought down, because capital account shows credit balance. As I told you, all assets show debit balance, all liabilities show credit balance. In the previous account, cash account, you had posted two balance brought down because cash account is an asset and capital account is a liability. So the opening balance will be posted always on the credit side by balance brought down 83,100. During this month you did not introduce any additional capital, so you will balance on the debit side. On 31st January, two balance carried forward with the same amount, and in the next month, 1st of February, by balance brought down 80,800. This is the opening balance for the next month. Balance carried forward is the closing balance of capital of this month, January. The next account from the opening journal entry, we have stock account. Stock being an asset shows a debit balance. On the debit side, we will post two balance brought down. At the end of the month, there are no further stock, so you will balance on 31st January by balance carried forward. This is called the closing balance. On February 1st, two balance brought down, it becomes the opening balance with the amount 36,000. Then we have the debtor called Lalchand. Again, debtors are assets. All assets show debit balance, so the posting will be on the debit side for the opening balance. January 1st, two balance brought down 7,600. On 16th, he pays the money. So credit the giver is the rule applied. By cash 7,500 after allowing discount of 100 rupees to him. Since both side is balanced or equal, no balance left, so no balance carried forward. Next account is your Mukesh Khanna. He is also a debtor of the business. All assets show debit balance, so we start with the opening balance by posting on the debit side two balance brought down on 1st January. Since there were no further transaction with Mukesh Khanna, you will balance the account on 31st January by balance carried forward, closing balance. On February 1st, two balance brought down, it's the opening balance for next month with the amount of 16,200. Then we have fixed asset in the name of furniture account. Again, all assets show debit balance, so two balance brought down 8,000. No further asset of furniture was purchased or sold away, so we'll balance on 31st January by balance carried forward, closing balance. Bring down the balance on 1st February, it will be the opening balance for February, two balance brought down 8,000. In the opening entry, we have two creditors, Ghanshyam and Vinod. If you are starting from a fresh page, please don't forget to write date, particular, journal folio amount on the debit side as well on the credit side. Ghanshyam is a creditor and all liabilities show credit balance. So the opening balance will come on the credit side on 1st January by balance brought down 6,000. And since cash has been paid to him, debit the receiver. On 14th, you will post two cash account 6,000. Thus, his account is closed, no balance left. Vinod is the other creditor, or it is a liability on the part of the business. All liabilities show credit balance, so posting will be on the credit side. Opening balance by balance brought down 8,000. Since no money has been paid to him, either part or full, balance will be carried forward on 31st January. It is the closing balance. To balance carried forward 8,000 for Vinod. On February 1st, by balance brought down 8,000 will be the opening balance for next month. Then coming to your journal entries. Now the opening entries have been over. So opening and closing, you are understanding now. Sales were made during the month of January. On 4th, sales were made for cash and discount was allowed. So posting will be on the credit side. Credit all incomes and gains. It is an expense. Applying the rule, posting will be by cash account with 19,000. By discount allowed account 1,000. The sales were of rupees 20,000. So whatever has been debited, the both two accounts will be posted on the credit side in sales account. Then on 6th, goods were sold to Gopal Seth on credit. So posting will be again on the credit side, credit or incomes and gains by Gopal Seth 10,000. On 20th, cash sales again credit or incomes and gains. So posting will be on the credit side. Whatever we have on the debit side will be posted on the credit side in sales account by cash account 20,000. When you balance, credit is more, so balancing will be on the debit side. To balance carried forward is the closing balance. On February 1st, it will become opening balance by balance brought down 50,000.